As a SciTech student at school, I was proactive in taking part in all the events happening at school. I was also an inquisitive learner about the things happening around me. Therefore, I learned to play keyboard, I learned photography, then I learned abacus, then also martial arts. Eventually, I started developing interest towards technology, machines, automobiles, and space. Next, I had to take up electronics as an elective in my pre university due to the interest I had with the subject. Later on, I went on to join engineering and, of course, mechanical engineering in specific. A person named Zig Ziglar once said, when obstacles arise, you can change the direction or path to arrive at your destination, but we never change the decision to be there. Hi, my name is Giridhar and I have taken a path or a choice that very few would take to continue my engineering after their vision loss. The prime career objective of mine is to invest my skills, my abilities, and my knowledge towards an inclusive and visionary organization to contribute towards the organization growth while having an opportunity to learn, to experience, and to grow within the organization, leading to mutual progress for both. I am a mechanical engineering graduate of class 2020, graduated from Silmar Institute of Technology, which is affiliated to BTU. My experiences and hands-on projects include firstly the electric vehicle battery as well as motor calculations from Decibel Labs, and secondly the electric vehicle battery nomenclature from Decibel Lab. So these were the hands-on workshop provided by them along with a certificate. This training program helped me to analyze the powertrain for Ather 450 along with its static conditions and hand calculations. I have also demonstrated the same using MATLAB programming, and I also have understood the quality parameters in a battery, such as the voltage, the capacity, and the energy density of batteries. I have developed an architecture and conceptual model for my personalized garment identification for persons with disabilities, especially for visually impaired. Today, I stand tall as a mechanical engineering graduate with exemplary record in my academics for a blind engineer. In doing so, I have paved my own path towards success. And now my learning curve hasn't stopped. I have learned to program in Python, MATLAB, and also Simulink to some extent, and along with electric vehicle technology and its specifications. During my internship at Mahindra Aerospace Private Limited, I was working in the Department of Production Planning and Control. I was asked to time study the surface treatment plant to understand the time taken for each process as well as to reduce the bottlenecks so as to optimize all the human resources as well as the value stream mapping. Let me demonstrate my code which I have written in MATLAB for battery sizing and motor sizing calculations.
Greater powertrain.
So I'm just executing the code.
What is the person or payload?
It's asking for the person's payload.
100. W body equals 100. What is the velocity of the vehicle? 5. 0. V vehicle equals 13.8889 time for maximum acceleration.
Time for maximum acceleration is
3.9. T vehicle equals 3.9000 F total equals 1.0728 E plus 03 GR equals 1.0073 P motor equals 1.4992 E plus 05.
It is showing the power of the motor as well as the force required to move the vehicle. So I usually use Microsoft Word and Thorium to read out my digital documents. I do my calculations using assistive technology such as Microsoft Word, calculator, and which is enabled by NVDA screen reader. Since I have mentioned about assistive tools and assistive technology, let us go and take a look at what they are and how I use them. As a part of my Python certification program, I had written a program to calculate the output power as an increment with the addition of supercharger. So here it is. So let me open up the command prompt to execute the program.
Start window. Command CMD. Command prompt terminal C:\backslash users back D colon backslash greater.
Let me change the directory now.
CD TEF D colon backslash test greater.
Now the file name.
FU PR AAR GR supercharger PY. The increment of power of an engine with supercharger is -1.6311349493.
Now it's giving a negative value. This is because of the increased power at the output. So let me just go and change the pressure value.
Circle supercharger circles print P line final equals BP dash
Okay.
left P line F I N L equals space B
Let me take the absolute value.
A B S ABS N hit line feed right paren
Okay. Let me save the program.
command D colon backslash
Let me run the program again.
file quote D colon backslash test backslash supercharger dot py quote line 28 P line final equals ABS left paren BP dash left paren P line sub slash 1000 right paren semi right paren carry
Okay.
syntax error supercharger
I
dot
think
py
I
dash
made a
visual
mistake.
studio code P line final equals ABS left line feed right paren semi right paren command prompt D colon
Let me try running the
test
program
greater
again.
super. The increment of power of an engine with supercharger is 1.631134.
Yes. So this time the value is positive and the increment is 1.6 kilowatt approximately. Now, along with this, I also use MS Word very frequently to do my program, to do my
dash visual
studies.
print left paren P line final equal command prompt welcome to my blog about command prompt mechanical gate notes dash 1.
So here it is. I've written some notes during my college. So let me just make some headings and bullet points.
Mechanical gate note heading level 1 metal casting mechanical
Okay.
gate line feed
I want to change the topic to strength of materials. So
TENGH strength of NARIAS
okay. So
S
let me make this as a heading.
ribbon tabs tab L styles data grid toolbar apply styles
I also use Microsoft Office to document my notes very frequently. So let me go there.
mechanical gate heading level mechanical line feed
Okay. I want to include the subject called as strength of materials.
FTRENGATRLS
Okay. So let me make this as a heading.
strength of materials selected ribbon tabs tab L styles toolbar apply style space blank clear all normal no space heading 1 select mechanical gate
So
notes
I have
dash
made this as a heading now.
heading level 1 page 1
Let me go and type a bullet point. So the point is about pressure. Okay.
PREFU pressure S T E E T the EX T R N L external R C E for P P L I E T applied O N R the P P O T Y.
So this is what I wanted to show you in Microsoft Word. Now let us go to the blog which I had made using HTML.
Command supercharger command prompt welcome to my blog about
Yeah. So let me maximize. So this is the blog which I had made using HTML. Let me go to the skip
banner
links.
landmark navigation link skip to content
I have created a skip link.
main landmark main clickable top heading level 1 let me introduce myself list with 2 items bullet my name is Giridhar
So I have created headings which is among the semantics and skip links, and also skip links from the bottom, um, including photos and a snippet of an audio file also. So this is about my HTML program.
Mechanical gate notes. Command prompt row 1 supercharger. Command prompt terminal.
Now let me show you how I use my mail. So let me open up my Gmail.
Start window. Google Chrome. App. Press right to switch preview.
Okay.
New tab dash Google Chrome. Address is I unselected. May I alert. May I main landmark.
Now I'll go and compose the mail.
Message dialog. Blank.
Okay. The recipient is. Let me put my own mail, the other mail ID.
Giridhar and .bg. Compose colon. New subject edit subject blank.
Subject is profile.
Profile. Table. Row 1 column 1. Table. Row 1 column H. T-A-A-R. Giridhar. P-F-E-A-F-E. Please. N-I-N-5. T-E. T-E-E. T. T-A. T-T-A. C-A-E. Attached. T-O-C-E-M-E-N-T-N. Documents. N. Space. R-E-V-E-R-T. Revert. Space. B-A. Back to ink with. Ink the. F-E-E-T. B-A-C-K. Feedback. T. K. Thing. What of you. R-E. G-A-R-T-S. Regards. G-I-R-I-A-A-R. Giridhar. Send left paren. Gmail dialog.
I've sent the mail successfully. Since I have not attached anything, so I'll continue anyway.
Cancel button 2. OK button 1 of 2.
Okay.
Sending. Cancel. Message sent. Undo view message.
Yeah. So message has been sent successfully.
3409 right paren. Dash and Giridhar.
Stop. At times, I would be handed over a document of a hard copy, and I would be asked to read out the document. It might be notes or it might be any other important documents. So, is it a problem? I don't think so. So, let me show you how it's done. So, this is a document which has to be read. So, let me open up my phone.
4:26 p.m. Device unlocked. Google search. Chrome. Apps list.
I'm opening the
Double tap to
apps.
activate. Gmail. Google. Geosop. Keep notes. Geosop. Lookout. Double tap.
The name of the app is Lookout.
Tips for quick read mode. Not check. Okay. Button.
I press
Stop.
OK.
Button.
So, let me take the
Quick read
document.
mode. Double tap to activate. B. Data and databases. Selected. Quick read mode 3 of 5 and list 5 items. Product life cycle M. Decision Support System DSS is an interactive information system that uses in technologies, data, documents, knowledge and/or models to identify and solve related to the complete decision-making tasks
Yes.
and make effective
So
decisions.
this is from DSS Systems, part of Product Lifecycle Management textbook. So this way, I can also read hard copy, and the same applies for soft copies, which is stored within my internal memory if it is a scanned document. By now, you must have understood that assistive technology and planning has been an integral part of my life. It has been engraved into my lifestyle. It can be as simple as going for a movie or planning for a movie. Did I just say a movie? Yes, movie. So let me just show you how do I plan going to a movie theater. So let me take an example of a mall which I visit frequently.
Geo 4G. Device unlock. Quick step. Home. Accessibility. Recent app. Recent apps. Tola. Double tap tap. Tola. Ride later. Button. Pin location. Search for a locality or landmark. Editing. Search for home. Nope. Add address as a favorite. Enter drop location. Search for a locality or land. Park Square Mall. English US Prime Sedan 3 minutes. Auto 2 minutes.
I have selected auto.
Ride now. Show pickup and drop locations on maps
Yes.
button.
When I
Ensure
confirm,
your daily rides at just a. Please note that the COVID proceed with insurance button. Remind me. Cola. Show pickup and drop
yes.
locations
So
on maps
when I
button.
confirm the location,
Double tap to
it's done.
activate.
So I can start my journey. Here are my blogs shown on your screen and my article mentions which you can see. And here are my personal details, such as my contact information, my name, my date of birth, and other relevant details. Thank you.